In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove app from Shopify. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Start by signing into your Shopify admin and looking down in the bottom left corner of the screen. That's where the Settings link lives. Click Settings to open the area where store-wide controls and integrations are managed. This is the central place to make changes that affect your whole store, so it's where app removal begins. Once Settings is open, look for Apps and Sales Channels. This section lists every app and channel you've added to your store, and it gives you a clear view of what's active and what's not. Open Apps and Sales Channels, and take a moment to scan the list. It's helpful to confirm the exact name of the app you want to remove, so you don't accidentally uninstall the wrong one. When you find the app in the list, you'll see a couple of options beside it. Some apps show a direct uninstall link, and others hide additional actions under a menu indicated by 3 dots. Click either the uninstall link if it's visible, or open the 3-dot menu to reveal the uninstall option. That will initiate the removal process. A confirmation step follows. Click Uninstall in the drop-down or pop-up to proceed. You may be asked to provide a reason for uninstalling the app. This is optional, but sharing brief feedback can be useful to app developers and may help improve the app for other merchants. After selecting or leaving the reason blank, look for the red uninstall button in the confirmation pop-up and click it. That final confirmation completes the uninstall process. After removal, take a moment to check your storefront and any relevant settings to make sure everything looks as expected. Some apps leave behind snippets or code inserted into your theme. So if you notice odd behavior or leftover content you didn't expect, consult the app's documentation or contact their support for guidance on cleaning up any residual files. If you rely on data from the app, verify whether that data was retained or deleted by the app. Again, documentation or support can clarify what persists after uninstall. And that's it. Removing an app from Shopify is a quick process when you know where to go and what to confirm. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe and like the video.